John, I've got to tell you, this quarter was just blowout. And one of the things that really influenced my thinking was there had been some downbeat reports that maybe the cloud, maybe software as a service, maybe even your end had slowed down and it was harder to close deals. You just came back from Europe, epicenter of world slowdown. It sounds like you're seeing the opposite. Deals are raging.
Well, Jim, what's happening is digital transformation is a strategic priority for every company. If you can't compete digitally, you can't succeed. And ServiceNow is one of the core strategic digital transformation partners for increasingly virtually every company around. So as you mentioned, I was in Europe and met with several customers and several of our big partners. And they aren't focusing on macroeconomics. They're not focusing on Brexit. They're focusing on how can they deliver better experiences to their customers, better experiences for their employees, and drive real productivity growth. And ServiceNow is one of their core platforms that enable all three.
John, since I've known you and before, of course, the great Frank Slootman, your predecessor, I have seen this company go from a company that I kind of thought was like, hey, I don't want to call my IT department, let's figure that thing out, to then an onboard company, to now basically some company that's going to be a huge player in human resources and is really a digitization leader. This has all happened in the short time that you've been ServiceNow.
Well, Jim, as you know, I inherited a wonderful company from Frank Slootman, a company that had enormous potential. And my role over the last, really, in essence, 3 years has been to try to bring us up into the C-suite and begin to pull us across outside of IT. And the reason for that is employees don't really care if their issues are IT or HR or finance. Historically, software has been very siloed. Cross-functional workflow is the wave of the future. That's what digitization enables. So I've gotten us started to do that. But our next CEO, Bill McDermott, there is no one in the world who has operated more across all the major buying centers in the enterprise. He knows all those software, all the functional software, and all the seams that exist. And there's no one in the world that has greater C-suite relationships than Bill McDermott. So he's going to take this even to the next level.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.